viewers, we are starting a new topic, Explainable Artificial Intelligence, XAI, enhancing trust, transparency, and accountability in artificial intelligence. Introduction. Explainable Artificial Intelligence, XAI, is a critical framework that addresses the complexity of machine learning algorithms, making their outcomes understandable and trustworthy for human users. As AI systems become increasingly sophisticated, they risk becoming opaque black boxes, making it challenging for developers and users to comprehend the rationale behind their decision. Introduction. Explainable XAI techniques offer insights into the decision making processes in artificial intelligence models, ensuring transparency, accountability, and fostering trust among stakeholders. Why explainable AI matters: ensuring accountability. Explainable AI XAI allows organizations to comprehend in artificial intelligence models outcomes, ensuring accountability and enabling them to adhere to regulatory standards. Explainable AI XAI, enhancing trust, transparency, and accountability in artificial intelligence. Mitigating bias. By uncovering potential biases in artificial intelligence algorithms, explainable artificial intelligence enables organizations to rectify and ensure fairness in decision-making processes. Explainable AI XAI, enhancing trust, transparency, and accountability in artificial intelligence. Promoting trust. Understanding AI decisions fosters trust among users and stakeholders, encouraging the productive use of AI technologies. Explainable AI XAI, enhancing trust, transparency, and accountability in artificial intelligence. Enhancing user experience. Explainable AI empowers users to trust artificial intelligence driven systems, leading to improved user experiences and acceptance of artificial intelligence powered services. Explainable AI, enhancing trust, transparency, and accountability in artificial intelligence. How explainable AI works: prediction accuracy. Explainable AI techniques assess prediction accuracy by comparing model outputs with training data results. Methods like local, interpretable, model agnostic explanations, LIME, explain classifiers, predictions, enhancing transparency. Explainable AI, enhancing trust, transparency, and accountability in artificial intelligence. How explainable AI works: traceability. Traceability limits decision making variability and narrows down machine learning rules and features. Techniques like deep lift establish traceable links between activated neurons, aiding in understanding complex neural network decisions. Decision understanding. Educating teams about AI decisions foster trust. Human understanding of AI processes is crucial for efficient collaboration with AI system. Explainable AI, enhancing trust, transparency, and accountability in artificial intelligence. Explainability versus interpretability in AI. Interpretability, the observer's ability to comprehend the cause of decision. It measures how accurately humans can predict AI outputs. Explainability goes beyond interpretability by exploring the AI's decision making process, understanding how the AI arrived at specific outcomes. Explainable AI and responsible AI. Explainable AI focuses on understanding AI results after computation, ensuring transparency and trust. Responsible AI incorporates ethical principles during AI planning stages, making algorithms responsible before computation. Both concepts can synergize to enhance AI models' trustworthiness and effectiveness. Explainable AI, enhancing trust, transparency, and accountability in artificial intelligence. Continuous model evaluation. Purpose: to optimize model performance, identify biases, and ensure model transparency and accountability. Benefits: rapid troubleshooting, enhanced transparency, and improved model behavior understanding achieved through interactive visualization and detailed model evaluations. Explainable AI, enhancing trust, transparency, and accountability in artificial intelligence. Benefits of explainable AI: operationalize AI with confidence. Explainable AI instills trust in production AI, simplifying model evaluation processes and increasing transparency. Accelerate time to AI results. Continual evaluation and improvement of models lead to optimized business outcomes, enabling faster AI deployment and fine tuning efforts based on real time insights. Explainable AI, enhancing trust, transparency, and accountability in artificial intelligence. Conclusion: in the world of artificial intelligence, explainable AI is like a guiding light. It helps us understanding how AI works, making its decisions clear and reliable. This transparency is crucial for building trust and ensuring fairness. When organizations use explainable AI, they can avoid biases and create better experiences for user. It's all about making AI technology something people can believe in and feel good about. With explainable AI, the future of AI looks bright, optimistic, and full of possibilities.